Dave Ramsey says you must have 8 types of insurance. Today, we'll be talking about his recommendations and my take on Dave's opinions. Who's right? Let's find out. Hey everyone, I'm Tia at Trailstone, and I am doing better than I deserve. So today, talking about 8 types of insurance Dave says you should have. And I know what you're thinking, insurance? Boring. And yes, insurance can feel like a tangled web of jargon and endless options, but don't worry. Today, we're going to untangle that web using tips from financial guru Dave Ramsey himself. Plus, I'll share some real-world examples and explain how Trailstone Insurance Group can help you find the best coverage at the best price. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, we have auto insurance. Dave Ramsey emphasizes the importance of having auto insurance. And guess what? Your state probably requires it too. But it's not just about ticking a legal box. Here's what you need to know about the key coverages to include in your policy. First is collision coverage. So this pays for damages to your car if you're at fault in an accident. So just imagine you're driving to work, it's a bit rainy, and you accidentally rear end the car in front of you. Collision coverage helps you fix your car without draining your savings. Now, comprehensive coverage, this covers damage to your car not related to collisions like theft, fire, or natural disasters. So picture this. You park your car outside and overnight a tree branch falls on it during a storm. Well, comprehensive coverage has your back. Now, liability coverage. So this is crucial, in fact, absolutely crucial. It covers damages and injuries you cause to others in an accident, plus legal fees if you're sued. So let's say you accidentally sideswipe someone's car and they decide to take legal action. Well, with liability coverage, generally you're protected. And additionally, consider these coverages if they're available in your state. First up, personal injury protection, or PIP for short. So this covers medical bills and lost wages after an accident. So if you're hurt and can't work for a while, PIP can help cover those costs. Next is medical payments coverage, also known as MedPay. So this is similar to PIP, but with lower limits. It's a good option if PIP isn't available in your state. Next up is uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, or UM/UIM for short. So this protects you if you're hit by a driver without adequate insurance. So imagine someone rear ends you at a red light and they don't have any insurance at all. Well, this coverage ensures you're not left paying for their mistake. At Trailstone Insurance Group, we'll help you get the right auto insurance coverage at a price that doesn't make you cringe. We'll shop your insurance with more than 40 insurance carriers, and there's no cost for our service. You have nothing to lose. Second up is health insurance. So Dave Ramsey highlights health insurance as a must-have to avoid catastrophic medical expenses. Health insurance is there for the big stuff, not just your regular checkups or minor illnesses. So here's what you need to look for. Employer-sponsored plans. These are often the most affordable option, and if your job offers health insurance, take advantage of it. Next, high deductible plans. These come with lower premiums and can be paired with a health savings account, or HSA for short, to save on taxes. Imagine this scenario. You're out hiking, enjoying the nature, and you trip, breaking your leg. The hospital bills can add up really quickly, but with health insurance, you're covered. Plus, having a high deductible plan with an HSA means you've got a nice little tax-free saving cushions for medical expenses. Remember, health insurance can save you from medical debt, which is the leading cause of bankruptcy. At Trailstone, we help you navigate through various health insurance plans to find the one that best fits your needs and budget. Okay, third, let's jump into life insurance. Life insurance is essential if you have dependents relying on your income. Dave Ramsey recommends term life insurance over whole life policies because term policies are more cost-effective and straightforward. Here's what you should consider. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period, typically 10 to 20 years, and pays out if you pass away during the term. Dave recommends you aim for a policy worth 10 to 12 times your annual income. Now, whole life insurance is often marketed as an investment product, but it's usually much more expensive and less effective than simply investing in mutual funds. Dave is not a big fan of whole or permanent life insurance, and generally we agree, but I think there's definitely scenarios where whole or permanent life insurance is a better option. Real life reality check. If you're the primary breadwinner for your family and do not have some type of life insurance in place, you could be leaving your family in a really tough financial situation, not to mention the grief and life changes they'll have to go through. So if your budget is tight, term life insurance is probably the way to go. It's like having a safety net that catches your family if you're not around. At Trailstone Insurance Group, we can help you find the best term life insurance policy to ensure your family is financially protected. All right, fourth, Dave says you need to have homeowners insurance to protect your home and belongings from unexpected events like fires or natural disasters. So here's what to include. Extended dwelling coverage. This covers the cost to rebuild your home. Now imagine a fire damages your home. This coverage ensures you can rebuild without financial ruin. Next is personal property coverage, which replaces your personal belongings. So if a burglar breaks in and steals your TV, this coverage helps you to replace it. And liability coverage. This protects you if someone gets injured on your property. So let's say a guest slips on your icy driveway and breaks their arm. Well, liability coverage can help with their medical bills. And additional living expenses. This covers living costs if your home becomes uninhabitable. So if a storm makes your home unlivable, this coverage pays for your hotel stay. For renters, it's equally important to have insurance since your landlord's policy won't cover your personal belongings. So imagine your apartment building has a fire and you lose everything, while renter's insurance helps you replace your stuff without going broke. Even a $20,000 policy is enough coverage for most people. At Trailstone, we offer tailored homeowners and renters insurance policies to fit your specific needs and budget. Okay, fifth, disability insurance is critical for covering income if you're unable to work due to a long-term injury or illness. Dave Ramsey advises having a policy that covers 60 to 70% of your income, and here's what you need to know. Short-term disability is typically covered by your emergency fund. I do not think this is critical coverage to have if you're beyond baby step 3, meaning you've paid off all of your short-term debt and have a 6-month emergency fund in place. Next, long-term disability. This covers a significant portion of your income for an extended period. And here's an example why you might need long-term disability. Imagine you're a high-rise window washer and you have an accident, not at work, that keeps you from working your job for many months. So your emergency fund might cover the first few months, but what if you're out of commission for, let's say, a year? Long-term disability insurance ensures you can pay your bills and keep your financial life on track. And listen to this crazy fact. Given that 1 in 4 of today's 20-year-olds will become disabled before retirement, we believe long-term disability insurance is completely vital. All right, sixth, long-term care insurance covers the cost of assisted living, in-home care, and nursing home care, which Medicare does not cover. So Dave recommends getting this insurance at age 60, and here's why. First is the high costs. The average cost for a private room in a nursing home can be around $110,000 per year, and protection of assets. Without this coverage, long-term care costs can deplete your entire retirement savings. Imagine this, you're 70 years old, you need assistance with daily activities. Long-term care insurance covers the cost of a nursing home or in-home care, so you don't have to drain your savings. It's peace of mind for you and your family. Seventh, while not a traditional insurance product, identity theft protection is crucial. The Federal Trade Commission received 1.1 million reports of identity theft in 2022 alone. So here's what you should look for here. Restoration services. This is assistance in cleaning up your credit report and dealing with banks in legal issues. And credit monitoring, which regularly checks your credit report for suspicious activities. And why do you need ID theft protection? Well, imagine finding out someone has taken out a loan in your name. You're not responsible for the money spent, but you do have to clean up the mess that they left. Identity theft protection can save you hours of frustration and stress by providing professional help to restore your identity. At Trailstone, we partner with the top identity theft protection providers to offer you comprehensive coverage and peace of mind. Okay, last but not least, number 8 is umbrella insurance. An umbrella policy provides extra liability coverage beyond your standard auto and homeowners insurance. Dave Ramsey suggests this for anyone with a net worth of at least $500,000, and here's why. It provides additional protection, and this coverage is for legal fees and damages in lawsuits that exceed your existing policy limits. Also has affordability, so typically this costs around $200 to $300 annually for $1 million in coverage. Imagine this, you're driving and a minor accident leads to a lawsuit for damages beyond your auto insurance limits. Well, an umbrella policy kicks in to cover the extra costs, protecting your assets from being drained. An umbrella policy is a cost-effective way to protect your wealth from unexpected legal claims. At Trailstone, we help you find affordable umbrella policies to safeguard your assets. All right, let's recap. The 8 types of insurance you must have, according to Dave Ramsey, are auto insurance. Yes, this is TIA approved. Health insurance. Yes, also TIA approved. Life insurance. Term life. Yes, TIA approved. Whole or universal life insurance. I would say sometimes yes. And homeowners or renters insurance. Yes, absolutely TIA approved. 5, long-term disability insurance. Yes, TIA approved. 6, long-term care insurance. Yes, I approve. 7, identity theft protection. Yes, absolutely TIA approved. 8, umbrella policy. Absolutely yes, approved. I would say I agree with 7.5 out of 8 of the Dave Ramsey recommendations. Dave can't always be right. So what should you do now? Give us a call at Trailstone Insurance Group. We're dedicated to helping you find the best insurance coverage at the most competitive prices. Whether you're just starting to build your financial safety net or looking to enhance your existing coverage, we've got you covered. Until next time, stay safe and stay protected.